Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get the Lamborghini Urus in the Crew Motorfest. To begin, navigate to the main menu and select the shop option. From there, you'll find various vehicle categories. The Urus is typically located within the street or SUV sections. Make sure you have enough in-game currency, either bucks or crew credits, to complete the purchase. It's a straightforward process once you know where to look. Once you've located the Lamborghini Urus in the shop, you'll see its price displayed. It typically costs around 300,000 bucks, which is the primary in-game currency. If you prefer, you can also use crew credits, which are premium currency. Simply confirm your selection, and the vehicle will be added to your collection. Remember to check its performance statistics to ensure it fits your racing style. If you're short on currency, there are many ways to earn bucks in the Crew Motorfest. Participating in various events and challenges is the most common method. Daily and weekly challenges often provide substantial rewards, so keep an eye on those. Additionally, completing different playlists will grant you bonus currency, helping you reach the Urus's price point faster. Enjoy the grind and the journey to your new ride. After acquiring your Lamborghini Urus, the real fun begins with customization. You can personalize its appearance with different paint jobs, rims, and body kits. Don't forget to upgrade its performance parts to maximize its speed and handling on the track. This will give you a significant edge in races and events. Before you go, remember to check the description for a link to grab some little trees, black ice, and other great deals. Thanks for watching, and happy racing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.